Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini vehicle here. So now I start checking. The first one is a police car, mini police car. Excavator, mini excavator, a nice excavator. White police car, a nice police car, my interesting police car. Mobil Tanki, Indonesian language we call Mobil Tanki. English we call truck. How about this one? Ambulance. Everybody, how about this one? Bulldozer. This one is a bulldozer. The next one. My favorite hero. You can see a sign of spider. My favorite hero is a Spider-Man. A Spider-Man with a big head. Monster truck. Super motorbike. Let's move to another bigger truck. Mini airplane, a nice airplane, a cute airplane. Cement mixer truck. My favorite hero, Captain America. He is getting old. Monster truck with a sticker of hero Captain America. You can see a hero Captain America with a strong gas shield. The next one, garbage truck. You can see a garbage truck with red color and yellow. Mobil Truk, Indonesian language, Mobil Truk, English, truck. Red police car, you can see a nice red police car. Now we can see a red Spider-Man, a nice Spider-Man. My favorite hero, Spider-Man. A red leather truck. We love red color. Leather truck. Everybody, let's move to another bigger truck. There are lots of vehicles here. Cement mixer truck. Police super motorbike. The next one. Bulldozer. You can see a bulldozer. How about this one? School bus. Mini school bus. A logistic truck. You can see a little logistic truck, a mini logistic truck. There are yellow container. Only one container here. Mini monster truck, green color. A forklift, you can see a forklift. Everyone, this is a super motorbike, super cute color, racing super motorbike with number 6. excavator, mini excavator, yellow color, mini excavator with yellow color. How about this one? Mini airplane. Everybody, let's move to another bigger truck. Okay, let's go forward. So I can see lot of cars here. Police car, white color. How about this one, everybody? A logistic truck, a transportation truck. We can use this truck to transport any cars to anywhere. My favorite hero, another favorite hero, Captain America, with a strong shield, a sign of star. How about this one, a logistic truck? Green racing car. Mobil Truk, Indonesian language. English, truck. Bulldozer. I don't know its name. If you know, please write down. Mini airplane, a nice airplane. Red car with number 3. Everybody, let's move to the last track. Garbage truck. You can see this truck in series. Mobil Truk, another Mobil Truk, another truck. Super motorbike, yellow color. Bulldozer. Okay, bulldozer, yellow color. Green racing car. You can see a mini green racing car. Super cute racing car. Super car, green color. Mini airplane. You can see a mini airplane, gray color. Mobil Tanki. You can see a cute Mobil Tanki with number 6. How about this one? Garbage truck. Cute super motorbike, pink color. You can see a cute super motorbike, pink color, with number 46, racing super motorbike. Last one, 4 wheels motorbike, red color. Everybody, so now thank you for watching this video. I should finish my video right now, but before I finish, if you like this video, please write down. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck. Don't forget to enjoy your day. Be happy every time, everywhere. Goodbye, everyone.